Okay.
Oh, I see two.
Just take the vine if it's a good one. But yeah, that's fine either.
Alright, oh, fine, they're not coming.
No, it's fine. You can just pick the tomatoes.
Wait, should I pick that one up?
Yeah, if it's a good one. Look at all these good red ones in here, huh? Oh, wow.
What about, is that one a good one?
Yeah, they're gorgeous. They come off easy as well. Once they come off easy, they're good. They're ready.
When they're green?
No.
When they're orange?
No.
No,
It's okay, we can clean them.
oh, this one's good. It is a bit orange.
Yeah, it's fine. That's okay, that's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Look at over here, Jude. Look, there's a big one. Hmm? Oh, God, she never stops. You're doing a good job, Jude.
What?
There's a big one up here.
Oh, no.
That's a good one. No, let Jude do it. You haven't even got clothes on yet.
That was good too.
Yeah.
You've got 3 big ones. There's a pumpkin. There's a pumpkin.
No, don't be at them, Saoirse. Hello, Jiminy. Jiminy Cricket. So, folks, I had this genius idea today to attach my vines to a wild tree that's grown in an abandoned house that lives beside us. It is beside us. So I just thought, while the bees are pollinating that tree, I can't remember what it's actually called, but they might actually pollinate the leaves on my vines. So then could easily produce a better harvest of crops, I hope. I have 3 of them strung up, and I'm going to do more, I think, as they get bigger. I'll just keep attaching them. I think it's a good idea though. I don't know if it'll work, but let's see what happens.